Hey guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Gucci Dionysus Mini handbag. I just thought I would share my experience with you guys of my first unboxing of this bag that I fell in love with as soon as I walked into the Gucci store. Now, if you guys are handbag lovers, you'll immediately know this handbag. I guess it's kind of the GG print that's on it that's quite well known. So here it is, so excited. It's been so hard, so I literally picked it up and I'm so excited to open this with you guys. This will be my first time holding my bag and not being in the store, so I'm really excited. So to start off with, the experience in Gucci was amazing. So you go in there, they pretty much just treat you like luxury. Obviously that's what you're buying is luxury. So this handbag I fell in love with. As soon as I walked into the store, really, it was the print, it was the feeling, the look of it on me, I just absolutely loved. Now there are other sizes available, so I totally recommend if you are thinking of purchasing a luxury handbag of any sort, Gucci, Louis, Fendi, whatever it is that you're going for, to go in and try it and feel it and have that connection. I know it sounds really corny, but it is an actual thing. So let's dive in. So in here we've got the Gucci bag. I'm so excited. So here it is. It comes in this beautiful box, which I think is just so clean and once again really luxurious, you know, which is what they sell themselves on. So let's move this out of the way. So it opens up like so. So excited. And in here we've got a couple of Gucci pamphlets, which are really cool. So responsibility, I guess it's just to kind of take care and how to care for your item. A little swatch of the canvas material, so as you can see, that is the print I went for. It's just the classic GG canvas. I couldn't resist. It is just gorgeous. So it looks like it comes in this beautiful little silk case, dust bag with the Gucci logo on the front there. I think this is really handy for keeping it in storage or when you're traveling. I think I will have the bag in here when I'm not using it, just so I can give it a long life and make sure that it's nice and safe. Dun, da, da, da. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So as you can see, like I mentioned earlier, it is the GG canvas and I've gone for the beige suede. Absolutely beautiful. You can get, I think they do black, red, green, you can get leather reds, leather greens and leather black as well. But I just fell in love with this really classic Gucci look with this beautiful design on the front here. The cool thing with Gucci now is if you do go in, you can actually get your initials on the side here, which I think is really cool. I'm loving how brands are doing this now. It really personalizes your purchase and the experience. I've decided to not have anything on there. However, I can go back and get it on there if I change my mind, which I think is really nice. So we'll just open it up. Oh, beautiful. So inside we've got the beige suede all around it. It's a bit of a print there, but I think that looks like it's coming from that one. So just a standard. And inside we've got the chain. So I'll just take the chain out. And we've got beige suede and the GG at the bottom there, which I think is really beautiful. So I've gone, as you can see, I've gone for the long one. So it's the mini bag, but with the other ones are only kind of shoulder width. This one I can have across my body and on my shoulder, so I thought this would be really good for the daytime and zhuzh it up like that for nighttime. Now I was a little concerned because I normally have big bags. I don't know, I just seem to have a lot of stuff, but from what I can gather, it's got quite a bit of stretch on there, and I'm assuming I should be able to get a little bag, my sunglasses, my phone, and a card wallet. One thing that kind of gets me a little bit nervous about this bag is because it is a light color. Obviously, if anything does pop up, if I drop anything on it or spill anything, it will stain easy. So let's hope that doesn't happen, but I'm definitely not going to be putting this on the ground. This is definitely going to be going on the table next to me. A great tip that the Gucci sales assistant told me was to ensure like the longevity of the handbag is to steer clear of perfumes and lotions, and obviously liquids. So to have like a little cosmetic bag, which I think I'll be able to find one. I've probably got one lying around here that I could put in here, that can store my lip glosses, perfumes, you know, the makeup, hand creams, just so that if anything does spill, it spills inside the bag. So this is one thing that I love, is it's this beautiful little clip here. Nice and easy, clip on like that. I don't know about you guys, but I am so excited to take this out. I feel like I'm gonna need an excuse to go out tonight just so I can wear this bag. But overall, I am absolutely in love. Seriously, it smells so good and so new. It just, oh my gosh, I'm so happy to have this. Oh, and on the back as well, just the plain GG kind of canvas just wraps around it. So it is, like I said, really clean, really luxurious, and just a classic Gucci bag. They've had these available for a couple of years now, and I think that this is, I'm pretty sure that this is kind of like their classic line that will be available for a while. So I think if you are gonna make your first you know, designer handbag purchase, I'd reckon to keep it to something classic, something that will always kind of be around. Those limited editions are stunning, but once again, totally up to you. Totally your preference, whatever really works for you. So seriously, so excited to take this out. So there's a couple extra things in the bag that came with it. So your receipt, so depending on where you go, determines exactly how much it is. I'm in New Zealand. I bought this from Queen Street in Auckland, New Zealand, from the Gucci store, and I paid around just under $2,000. Now I paid full price for it, but you can get a lot of luxury items duty free, and that's kind of a good way of going as well, because you know, you get a bit of a savings on that. I was just too excited and impatient. I just really wanted to get my hands on this. So yeah, so you get your receipt and this cute little Gucci little card, so definitely keep on that. And it looks like it's the women's collection, fall and winter for 2018-2019, which I think is really cool. So I'll definitely have a look through there. I feel like I've definitely done my shopping at Gucci for now. But if I do go back, I will definitely make sure to share with you guys my unboxing. So this is my first time opening it. So far, I am even more in love. This is gorgeous. Just another close look at it. So it is really just a piece of art. It really is a piece of art. The chain's really nice and solid as well. Really I just feel it's just so quality. And yeah, really excited to take this out. Thank you guys so much for jumping on and watching my video. Please feel free to subscribe and like for more of these unboxing. I will definitely do a review in a couple of weeks time to let you guys know how the bag's going, anything that's popped up. I don't think there's going to be any concerns. 100% in love with this thing, head over heels. But yeah, please like and subscribe, and I will send you guys some more videos. Thank you so much.